Justin, are you wearing goalie gear?
Yeah, I said wear protective equipment for the episode.
I thought you meant PPE.
Well, see, PPE sounds like PPG, and PPG Paints Arena, where the Pittsburgh Penguins play. Tristan Jarry is the starting goaltender. Goalie equipment, best kind of protective equipment.
I don't think that's gonna work.
No, it's totally gonna be fine. What could go wrong? Oh.
I don't think that's gonna work.
We'll figure it out. Hello everybody and welcome to Dumm Engineering. I'm Justin Dumm and today I'm joined for the second time by my coworker Nathan Wallish, and we're going to talk to you about circuit protection. So Nathan, thanks for coming on the show again, second time.
Of course, I'm excited to be here.
Pretty big deal, no certificate, but you'll live. So, what are the types of circuit protection devices?
So, Justin, there are two types of circuit protection devices. You have overvoltage devices and you have overcurrent protection devices. Overvoltage protective devices protect you from voltage surges, from events like static electric discharges, all the way up to lightning strikes, which would be pretty crazy. Some examples of protective devices that you'd use for overvoltage would be some varistors, suppression diodes, thyristors, and even some discharge suppressors.
Okay. Generally with control panels, we don't have to go and include voltage protection at the beginning of the circuit because most customers have clean power that isn't going to spike and cause problems. But in the case of customers who have dirty power, where you do see those spikes, they usually tell us beforehand and we know to include it before we design the panel. So Nathan, what kind of overcurrent protection devices are there?
So Justin, we have a couple of different devices that we can use to protect from overcurrent. The first are fuses. These are small devices that are sacrificed during a single overcurrent event, but they need to be replaced afterwards. They can come in a lot of different current ratings and trip ratings, and a couple different types of fuses are slow blow, fast acting, and time delay. The next type of overcurrent protection device that we have is a circuit breaker. These are automatic electrical switches that open or trip when overcurrent is detected. After an overcurrent event, the breaker can be reset, but it's only rated for so many overloads and short circuit trips. Like fuses, these come in a wide variety of sizes, but they have many more accessories like lug kits, extra contacts, and disconnects external to the cabinet that allow you to turn the breaker on or off. Our next two types of overcurrent protection devices are both thermal overload devices. Our first type are MSPs, or what we call motor starter protectors. These are like breakers, except they have a thermal overload release that prevents the circuit from closing until it returns to an acceptable temperature. A lot of them also have adjustable trip settings. Our final overcurrent protection device and our second thermal overload device is an overload relay. These are used after a contactor, and they have thermal overload releases, just like our MSPs.
Remember, if you don't include circuit protection in your panels and other systems, you're going to end up like our coworker Anthony. Well, Nathan, thank you for coming on the show and helping explain circuit protection.
Of course, I can't wait to be here a third time.
Maybe. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Dumm Engineering.